Hello everyone, welcome to Hema's Home and Garden USA. Today June 14, 2021, we are going to harvest our onions and shallots. So watch the video until the end. All these onions were started from seeds somewhere around beginning of January 2021. So I already uploaded multiple videos regarding starting onions from seeds. Later I transferred all the onion seedlings to the ground on February 25th, 2021. So I had around 300 seedlings in the beginning, but I slowly lost many seedlings in the process and only had about 80 or 90 seedlings when I transferred it to the ground. So when I transplanted them to the ground on February 25, 2021, they were so tiny, they were so fragile, I was wondering if they were going to make it. But luckily everything matured beautifully. By May 3rd, 2021, this is how the seedlings has grown. I could see that it may start forming bulbs anytime soon. And today they are ready for harvest. So what I did was I made trenches in the garden bed and placed the onion seedlings with 5 or 6 inches gap in between the seedlings. And then slowly covered the onion seedlings with soil around the stem. And started watering for the next 10 days continuously. You have to be very careful in the beginning because you have to water the seedlings every single day for the next 10 days. If you don't, it may dry up soon and you may lose all the onion seedlings. So water it for the next 10 days until the roots are developed and they can survive even if you don't water it for a day or two. So come, let's go and harvest. They are very mature and ready for harvest. Come, let's go. So I have 2 boxes, one for red onions and one for yellow onions. Let's see how many we get in each color. Our first red onion, look at the size. It's beautiful. You see, when you are harvesting the onions, the top just falls like this. This area becomes very soft. It means that the onion is not receiving any more nutrients from the top. The onion is mature. That's when you know the onions are ready. Oops, there is a frog. Look at the frog. So let me harvest all the red onions and then we will harvest the yellow onions. Look at the beautiful color, so beautiful. What a beautiful size. See, every single onion just falls down. This area becomes soft and won't stand stiff. So that's when you know the onions are ready. So this is our red onion tray. I think I have around 15 red onions. Now let's do the yellow onions. Can you believe these were grown from seeds? This is the tiniest onion. I do not know why it did not become big, but the top is not falling down in this. Probably it would have gotten a little bigger if I left it in the ground, but I want this space for planting something else. So I am harvesting everything now. Another tiny one. These are the tiny onions. We are almost done, only around 10 more remaining. Look at this double onion. So this is our yellow onions and here is our red onions. Isn't this beautiful? I'm so glad, I'm so happy with this harvest. Even I wish I had all the 300 seedlings, but still I'm happy with this produce. So we are done with our onion harvest. I'm going to dry everything in the hot sun for the next 2 days because it rained in the past few days and I don't want to take it inside. If I take it inside immediately, there is a very high chance the onions may rot in the base in this area. So I am letting it sun dry for the next 2 days so that it can be safely stored for the rest of the time. So here I have a area, just drying it like this. Okay, finished placing everything in the hot sun. Come, let's go and harvest our shallots. You see, even the shallots has fallen down, so it is not standing upright. So, and I can see the bulbs in the base have bulged. So this is also perfectly ready for harvest. So this is, as I touch it, it just came out of the soil, so it was already ready. So I had like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, around 10 bulbs in this single shallot. So when I planted it, it was one single shallot, and now it is multiplied into 10. Look at this monster. It's just one single shallot multiplied like this huge number. This is smallest one. Probably it was caught in between without any light. That's why it's smaller in size, and rest of them are bigger in size. This is our final one. We are done with our shallots in the ground. We have one more basket there. So once we are finished with that, we are done. Come, let's go and harvest the ones in the basket. We are done with our shallot harvest. What you see here in this one, these are planted in the ground and these were planted in the pot. So there is a difference between the ones that were planted in the ground and in the pot. It's bigger, it multiplied many times, while this one multiplied only 3 or 4 and some even had just 2. This one, everything multiplied like around 10 shallots. So that is the difference between these two. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also please hit the bell icon so you get the notifications whenever I post a new video. Thank you all for watching.